Se habla español. Lección 2, Unidad 3. Hola amigos del idioma español. Hello, friends of the Spanish language. In Unit 3, we are going to study the definite article, which is the in English. The translates into Spanish as el, la, los, las, depending on the gender and number of the noun that follows. We are also going to see some more adjectives, which will allow us to widen our vocabulary. I hope you'll enjoy this unit. Unidad 3. El profesor es paciente. El profesor es paciente, la profesora es joven. El enfermero es bajo, la enfermera es alta. El estudiante es perseverante, la estudiante es disciplinada. Los chicos son alegres, las chicas son inteligentes. Los turistas son alemanes, las dependientas son simpáticas. Los alumnos son aplicados. Vocabulary. Paciente, patient. You can say, el profesor es muy paciente, like the teacher is very patient, and that is an adjective. And you could also say, el paciente no está muy enfermo, which means the patient is not very sick. Perseverante, persistent. Bajo, short. Alto, tall and high. Disciplinado, disciplined. Alegre, joyful. Simpático, nice. Joven, young. And as you can see, joven can be used for the masculine and for the feminine. You could say, el profesor es joven, or la profesora es joven. Dependiente, masculine, or dependienta, feminine, means shop assistant. Aplicado, it could also be aplicada for the feminine. It means hardworking or diligent. El artículo determinado, the definite article, the. The definite article, the, can be translated in 4 different ways according to its gender and number. El, la, los, las. Él es el profesor. He is the teacher. Ella es la profesora. She is the teacher. Ellos son los alumnos. They are the pupils, masculine. Ellas son las alumnas. They are the pupils, feminine. The article always has the same gender and number than those substantives it modifies. El chico, la profesora. You could never say la chico or el profesora. Cuidado, warning. Do not mistake el, personal pronoun, for el, definite article. The pronunciation of both is the same. When you write them, the stress on el is called diacritical, which means that it just serves the purpose to differentiate it from the article in the written form. ¿Quién es él? Él es el abogado. Ejercicio. Complete los huecos con el artículo determinado correspondiente. El, la, los, las. Fill in the blanks with the corresponding definite article. I will give you some seconds to repeat the whole sentence. And then you can also write that on your notebook. Let's start. A. Comida es buena. B. Estudiante es aplicado. C. Estudiante es alta. D. Conductor es además cocinero. E. Mujeres son guapas. F. Hombres son fuertes. G. Enfermeras son competentes. H. Tabaco es malo. I. Ejercicio físico es saludable. J. Camareros son jóvenes. Respuestas correctas. A. La comida es buena. B. El estudiante es aplicado. C. La estudiante es alta. D. El conductor es además cocinero. E. Las mujeres son guapas. F. Los hombres son fuertes. G. Las enfermeras son competentes. H. El tabaco es malo. I. El ejercicio físico es saludable. J. Los camareros son jóvenes. Ejercicio de vocabulario. Vocabulary drill. How would you say the following words in Spanish? Good. Short. Healthy. Hardworking. Dark-haired. Tall, high. New. Joyful. Disciplined. Persistent. Let's review all of them. Good, bueno, short, bajo, healthy, saludable, hardworking, aplicado, dark-haired, moreno, tall, high, alto, alta, new, nuevo, joyful, alegre, disciplined, disciplinado, of course you've got the feminine variant, disciplinada, persistent, perseverante. Hola amigos del idioma español. In Unit 3 we have studied the definite article el, la, los, las. We have also seen some more adjectives. How would you say in Spanish the following? The nurse is disciplined. That's correct. La enfermera es disciplinada. What about the boys are hardworking? That's right. Los chicos son aplicados. And what about the student is tall? The answer is el estudiante es alto. Or if you prefer, you can also say it in the feminine. La estudiante es alta. I hope you've enjoyed this unit. See you in Unit 4.